You have got your calendar neatly organized, time slots, buffer times, everything in place. But if people can still book without paying, that's a problem. Because of last-minute cancellations, no-shows can waste your time and disrupt your schedule. That's why accepting payments directly through your booking system is such a game changer. When clients pay upfront, they're committed. Your cash flow becomes predictable and you are no longer have to chase invoices manually. That's what real appointment management looks like. In this video, we'll explore how FluentBooking handles payments, the gateways you can use, and then I'll walk you through the complete setup for Stripe. So let's jump in. FluentBooking gives you several ways to get paid for your appointments. You have got Stripe, PayPal, offline payment, and even WooCommerce checkout if you are running an online store. You can enable more than one at a time so your client can choose how they want to pay. Now let's set up Stripe, since it's secure, convenient, and one of the easiest ways to accept card payments worldwide. At first, let's go to the payment settings. From there, enable the payment module and choose your preferred currency. So I'll go with the US dollars here. And next, under payment methods, you will see Stripe, PayPal, and offline payment methods listed here. So let's connect Stripe to take payments for calendars. However, you can pick between test mode and live mode. So I'll start with test mode. It's perfect for trying things out safely, using Stripe test cards. So you can make sure everything works before going live. So once you are ready to accept real payments, just simply switch to live mode. Alright, now I'll click on the Connect Stripe button and it will automatically redirect me to Stripe's secure login page. If you already have an account, just log in and approve the connection. Since I'm already logged in, so I'll just click skip this form and there it is. Stripe is connected successfully. Now I'm going to connect Stripe to take payments for calendars. So to do that, I'll go back to the calendar section, pick a calendar and click the edit button. Then in payment settings, I'll turn on enable this payment as paid and collect payment on booking. Now you can see there are two payment checkout methods. So I'll go with the native payment methods by FluentBooking, where you can see all the payment options are there. So I'll just check the box to enable the Stripe payment method. Now I'm going to set pricing for every booking item, which is very handy. Let's say $30 for 30-minute diet consultation and $50 for a 60-minute consultations. Okay. That way you can give more flexibility to your attendee to choose their session length based on their needs. Once that's done, just hit Save Changes and the paid booking calendar is ready to go. This setup doesn't just look professional, it keeps your entire system flexible and business ready. Now, if you want to offer discounts or promo codes, you can do that too. Just head over to the Settings tab in FluentBooking, then click on Payments, and under that, you'll find the Coupons option. This is where you can create or manage all your discount codes. Alright, so let's start by creating a brand new coupon. Just click on the Add Coupon button. Now, give your coupon a title and enter a coupon code. You can also generate a random code from here if you prefer. Okay, next, let's set the discount conditions. These conditions decide how and when the coupon can be used. Now I'll choose the event this coupon applies to and then set the start and end dates. The status will stay active. Also, I will leave the internal note empty because this will not visible to client, but it can help you to remember why you created this coupon. And if the coupon ever fails, you can customize the error message for that, but I'm fine with the default text for now. Okay, so then choose whether clients can use this coupon along with other coupons. If staking is allowed, they can apply multiple coupons in one booking. So I'm keeping this set to no. So once everything looks good, click Save Coupon and that's it. Okay, as you can see, I have done it creating the coupon. So you'll find a Have Coupon questions option on the checkout page. Time to test it out. So let's go ahead and book a slot. I'll fill in the details and here I'll apply the promo code I created earlier just to make sure the discount works perfectly. Necessary details and use a test card for the payment. So once it's confirmed, FluentBooking automatically collects the payment, sends the confirmation email, and updates my calendar. Everything happens instantly. So no manual work, no third-party steps, just smooth automation. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to take payments right inside WordPress using FluentBooking. We have gone through everything from enabling the payment module, connecting Stripe, to testing it out with a real booking. With this setup, your time slots are secure, payments are recorded, and your workflow stays organized from start to finish. FluentBooking isn't just a basic appointment booking plugin. It's a complete appointment management system. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.